Hello, in this video I'm going to show you where to find App Store privacy informations on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on the App Store, then swipe down to the very bottom and click on the App Store and Arcade Privacy. Once you're here, click on the App Store again, and here you are going to find the privacy informations of the App Store. So you can swipe down and just look for those informations. Just read them. So again, how to get to it, what you want to do is to open Settings, swipe down, tap on the App Store, swipe down to the very bottom, click on the App Store and Arcade Privacy, then App Store, and here you are going to find those informations. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.